Children, today we are going to revise perpendicular and parallel line segments. First, let me see drawing perpendicular line segments. To draw a perpendicular line segment, we need a protractor and a ruler, or we can use a set square and a ruler. Okay. This is called a protractor and this is called a set square. We have to use either protractor or set square to draw a perpendicular line segment. Let me see with protractor first. This is a protractor. Look at here. This is called baseline from 0 to this end. So this line is called a baseline and this point is called a center of the protractor. Okay. The angle which shows from 0, 10, 20, 30 outside. We have to see the outside angle, not the inside angle. Always we have to look over the outside angle. Okay. Now look at the line segment. A line segment is drawn which is mentioned at the end as P and Q. The corner of the line segment is called as P and Q and the center of the line segment is called as O. Okay. Now you have to use the protractor and to draw perpendicular line segment. Start from here. You have to keep this protractor as like this. Okay. This center point of the protractor should coincide with the center of the line segment. Okay. Always the baseline of the protractor should lie on the line segment. Exactly. Okay. So in this way we have to keep the protractor like this. Okay. Now from left side we have to start and from left side we have to start and mark the point at 90 degree. So start from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Here is the point 90 degree. The protractor should not move away from the line segment. Then keep a dot over here exactly at the point 90 degree like this. Okay. Then take your protractor away from the line segment. Then take a scale and draw the line that should start from that point and O. Okay. So you have to keep the scale like this. After keeping a scale like this, you have to draw a line from here. Okay. So from here and the line should end at the center point of the line segment O. After drawing a line like this, take a ruler away. We have to consider this point as R. So we got the perpendicular line segment over here. Always the perpendicular line segment should be of L shape on both sides. Look at here. This side is also in L shape and this side is also in L shape. So if the line segment having the vertical line like this exactly as L shape, or we call this as 90 degree, or we call this as right angle, then we call this as perpendicular line segment. Therefore this is called as perpendicular line segment. The symbol of perpendicular line segment should be like this. Whenever we are writing 2 points as a perpendicular line segment, how to write it as PQ. PQ is perpendicular to OR. PQ is perpendicular to OR. Okay. So in this way we have to write the line segment, perpendicular line segment. Now we are going to use set square to draw a perpendicular line segment. Here I have drawn a line segment AB with center point as O. Now I am going to use set square to draw a perpendicular line segment. So look at the set square. The set square is of L shape. So we can very easily draw perpendicular line segment by using the set square. Here we have either we can use the set square like this or like this. Okay. Now I am going to use the set square like this in this method. Look at here. This corner of the set square L shape we have, right? So this corner of the set square is considered as 0 and next is 1, 2, 3. It is given like this. Here we have a baseline of the set square. We have to keep the set square like this on the line segment. Okay. Now we are going to start from the origin O. We have to keep the set square like this. origin of the set square should be coincide with the origin of the line segment. So we have to keep the set square like this. After keeping the set square like this, we have to check it whether the line segment coincides with the baseline of the set square. So if it coincides, then we have to fix it tightly. We have to keep tightly, and then we have to draw a line over here. We can start from any point. Okay, so we have to draw a line over here till center point of the line segment O. After drawing a line, we can remove the set square. Now look at the shape of the line segment and a line drawn over vertically to the line segment. This is called a perpendicular line segment. After drawing a line, we can mention the starting point of the vertical line as any letter. I am using letter R. We can use any letter. Now, how can you name this perpendicular line segment? AB is perpendicular to OR. So we have to write the perpendicular line segment as like this. The symbol of the perpendicular line segment is this. Okay. So in this way we have to use the set square or protector to draw a perpendicular line segment. Next, drawing parallel line segments. To draw parallel line segments, we have to use a set square and a ruler. Okay. Here we cannot use a protector to draw a parallel line segment. We have to use only set square and a ruler. Draw a line segment like this. We can name this as A, B. We can use any letter to draw a line segment. Okay. We can use any letter to mention the line segment. I represented it as A and B. Now we have to draw a parallel line. After drawing a line segment, you have to keep the set square below the line segment. Okay. The baseline of the set square should coincide on the line segment from downwards. You have to keep it like this. Okay, children. After keeping like this, you have to keep your scale over here as like this. I don't have scale. I am using another set square. We can use that also. After keeping the set square and scale like this, you have to move the set square in upward direction. You have to move it like this. Okay. If you move like this, the measurement of the next line will not change. After moving like this, take away the ruler, then you have to draw a line over here. You should not remove the set square from the particular position. You have to keep it tightly like this. You have to draw it like this. Okay. After drawing another line segment, the end of the line segment should be marked with letter P and Q. You can use any letter. Now look at here. These two lines are parallel to each other. So we call these two lines as parallel line segments. These two line segments are parallel to each other. So we call this as parallel line segments. Parallel means both are in the same direction with an equal gap. Okay. Equal gap. So that is called parallel line segment. You have to draw a parallel line segment as like this. Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you, my dear kids.